Hey guys, I just wanted to share this with you. I'm doing an unboxing, but this is kind of different. This is a mystery unboxing. This was a driver that I purchased like several years ago. I don't even remember when I purchased it, but it was a long time ago. And this was supposed to be a 6.5 inch driver, a Goldwood driver. But as you can see, the label of the model is kind of ripped off, so I don't know what model it is. Says GW, so that's Goldwood model numbers, but I don't know what type of driver it is. It's 6.5 inch driver, so I'm gonna do this quick unboxing. I'm kind of excited to do this because I don't know what type of driver it may be. It may even be a Dayton driver in here and not a Goldwood driver or another brand, because I have ordered stuff, online, and when they shipped the stuff to me, they shipped in a speaker box, and it was a totally different driver because they did not have the original box, so they just shipped it in a box that was the same size. So a lot of times, I order something like this and I never open it up, and I just forget to open it up and check it out. So, and this is what this is. I got this about several years ago, and I thought it was a Goldwood 6.5 inch dual voice core driver or subwoofer driver. And that's what it looks like to me, but after I picked it up, seems really too heavy for that, and seems really thick, the box. And I have used those 6.5 inch dual voice core subwoofers by Goldwood, and they work very well, but that's what I'm thinking that's in this box. I have no idea. Like I say, it may even be a Dayton driver in here, because sometimes when they ship this stuff, they'll ship in an original box. As you can see, there's the model is covered up on this side, so it could have been a shipping label on here or a shipping label on top, because as you can see, it's been taped all the way around. And a lot of times they just ship the speaker out in its original box or in a speaker box, and they don't ship it in a shipping box. They just ship it just like this. So I'm kind of excited to see what's in here, see what type of driver is in here, if it's a Goldwood driver and what model it is. So I'm gonna open it up right now. Let's see what's in here. And again, it's probably, I'm thinking it's the 6.5 inch dual voice coil, but it seems too heavy for that. I don't know. But let's see. It's kind of exciting. Oh, okay. I'm just looking from behind. I don't know what kind of driver. Oh, yeah. See, this is not a Goldwood driver. I didn't think it was. It's too heavy. This is, what kind of driver is this? Oh, okay. Yeah, now I remember. This is a Dayton driver. Yeah, this is a 6.5 inch subwoofer. And again, this is what I'm talking about. I bought this a while back. Now I remember, I bought this a while back. Not too long ago, but as you can see, it was in a Goldwood box, and I'm thinking it was that, but it's Dayton driver. So that's cool. I forgot about this, and this is why I keep saying this. Sometimes I get some drivers, I don't never look at them. I never open up the box, sometimes. So I forgot I had this driver. So this is nice. This is a 6.5 inch driver. So, I actually haven't had time to really, I used one of these like last year, but I never had a chance to really test it out. I put it in a small sealed enclosure, maybe like 0.30 cubic feet, a third of a cubic foot box, very small. But I'm not really sure how well it performs, but when I was using it, it sounded like it's really a good driver. Again, Dayton makes great drivers. They're well built, and this is their 6.5 inch subwoofer. And you can look at it. It's 4 ohms, and it's built. The build quality is very good. And again, Dayton make great drivers, and this is one of them. I haven't had a chance to put this in a large box, but as I said earlier, I put it in a small box and it performs okay. But I'm sure if it was in like a half a cubic foot or cubic foot box, this would really sound great. But yeah, so this is what it was. It was Dayton subwoofer driver. So I might do a review on this, but yes, I have used one of these before last year, and I'm still, you know, working on testing the speaker. But yeah, I just wanted to see what was in the box, so this is what it is. Okay. And if anybody want to know more about this driver or how well it performs in a box, just let me know. Just you know, make a comment in the comment section in the description below, and just let me know. Okay, thank you very much. Goodbye.